Okay, so first off, you're going to find the formula is what it says to find first. F composed to G, right?
Yeah, it was X equal.
Okay, so that's like saying F of G of X, and G of X is replaced with an X plus 1. So this is the proper notation for it, I'll put it that way. So now, everywhere in F, you're going to put an X plus 1. So you come up here, and everywhere you see an X, which is just one place. So it's 1 over X plus 1.
I almost got confused when there was only one that was an X squared.
Okay, so now you've plugged this into that. Now, check this out, though. It's going to ask for the domain, right?
Yeah.
Now, individually,
So everything was negative 1.
yeah, individually, X plus 1 is everything, right? It's all real numbers. And the domain of this individually is 0, but you got to watch out. Remember we was talking about a machine feeding the machine? See, all the outputs of G of X have to work in F of X. So anything you get out of this has to work in F. So, sometimes it's better to think of them separately. You don't want a 0 here, so the outputs of this cannot be 0, right? So down here, it's the same thing of most of the time it's the same thing, just looking at it. You find the domain of this now. And that would be X plus 1 cannot be equal to 0, so it's everything but negative 1, right? The domain.
I got a question, like on the final rule or test or whatever, do we need to write like how they have it here on pause that, or can we write all our numbers except -1?
If it says write what is the domain in interval notation?
So it says in interval.
If it says interval notation, you have to use interval notation. Yeah. If it doesn't, then you can just state it. All real numbers except.
That's probably going to say it.
Yeah, it's pretty much guaranteed it's going to tell you interval notation. Okay.